Take one. Is this thing still on? Can you all still hear me? Are you still out there? Are you still ready to hear about some amazing wigs? Take two. Are you ready to hear all about these boho wigs from LuvMe Hair? You want to stay tuned for this. Hey guys, welcome back. Let me just start off by saying that I miss you all so much. I miss bringing you all the latest and greatest in the wig world. However, with everything in life, sometimes you need a break and just, reset, recalibrate, and get back on track. And so that is what I needed. I took the summer off and now we are back. We are getting into some wigs. So I'm getting into two braided LuvMe Hair wigs today. I'm going to be installing one and then just showing you the other one on. I'm also going to show you the unboxing, everything that came along with these units. I'll show you how I prep the units to install. So all of that good stuff, the usual basically. So what came in the box with these units is of course the LuvMe Hair drawstring bag to help store the units, a LuvMe Hair rat tooth comb, a LuvMe Hair elastic band with the Velcro so we can melt some lace, a purple LuvMe Hair clip, a purple LuvMe Hair edge brush, a pack of HD wig caps, and a little brochure that shows how to care for the hair, return policies, thank you letter, all of that included in this. All right, so here are both of the units that I am going to be installing today. So I want to go ahead and provide you with the specs, and I'm probably going to do that just while I'm installing this unit. So we'll start with the natural black color. All right, guys, quickly wanted to show you what these units look like straight out of the box. So that was the 1B, and this is the brown highlighted. I washed and conditioned both units with Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner, and this is what the color number 1B unit looks like. So in order to define the curls on this unit, I'm just bringing down layers of the hair and then combing through with my flat brush or paddle brush, applying some Lotta Body foam directly to the hair, and then combing through again to kind of clump those hairs together. And then you'll see me finger combing through the curls as well. That's all that I did all throughout these units. It's just bringing down layers of hair and then combing through to clump the hairs together and then finger combing. I did the rest off camera, but I did want to show you what I did to the braids in the front of the unit. So pretty much the same thing, just comb through them and then apply some of that Lotta Body to the hairs, and then I just separated out those boho pieces. I don't want those wrapped around the braids, so I kind of just wanted to separate those out to dry. I allowed both of these units to air dry overnight. That way they were good to go and ready for me to install the very next day. And this is that brown highlighted one. As you can see, the curls are a lot looser. So I already have on a wig cap, and this is just a nude wig cap. But yes, so I'm going to show you the construction of this unit, and the construction is exactly the same on the lighter one as well. So as you can see with this unit, it only has the braids right here at the top. The rest of the unit is just curly hair. The braids are only at the top, and this is a 5x5 closure unit. So we have, I think I'm missing a comb, but there's two combs here in the front, one in the back, and then we also have the adjustable straps inside the unit, and again a 5x5 closure. So this unit is 12 inches long. They also have 10 inches. Price for the 10-inch length is $159.90. Price for the 12-inch is $179.90. It is 100% human hair. Density is 150%. It is glueless, medium cap size, 100% human hair, 5x5 closure. So this one is the natural black color, and the other one is a brown highlight. So let's go ahead and install. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and adjust the adjustable straps in the inside of the unit. And I am going to go ahead and just slide the unit on my head. The lace is already pre-cut off, which is really, really nice. And the knots are already bleached on the closure. Love that this unit is a closure, so it shouldn't be too much work. And I was able to find that additional comb. It just slipped out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that back in. And there's just little tiny loops on the unit. So you just stick those loops of the comb right through those loops. Okay, so we're installed now. All right, so again, just placing the unit around the back of my head. I'm going to install this back comb in the back of my head. And my hair is just braided down flat under the wig cap. So this is just me just sliding the unit on. So installing those front combs. Now I will say with this unit, we do have the traditional ear tabs. These are not the C-shaped ear tabs. But they are fitting very, very nicely around my ear. Now, initially just putting this unit on, it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love this, but we are going to have to do something with this lace here because it is very, very visible. All right, so also since this lace is very, very visible, it can be cut down a little bit. So I'm going to take my shears and just cut off just a little bit of this lace, so we don't have to work with that much. And make sure you're not cutting just straight across, kind of cut in a zigzag or jagged motion. All right, much better. So move back just a little bit. Okay, so that would be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some Sebastian hair shaper spray on the lace, and this is just a light holding spray. The only thing that I wish this unit had is one of those adjustable, not adjustable, but the elastic band in the inside, because I feel like this unit is just a little bit big. That's why the lace is not just laying flat on my head. And use this little elastic band that came with the unit to lay it down. Okay, so that elastic band is actually the one that's supposed to go in the inside of the unit. So let's go ahead and take this off and install this elastic band. This is not the one to lay your lace. This is the one to go in the inside of the unit. So I'm glad that this was sent. I probably should have opened that before I installed the unit, but let's go ahead, and there are loops here in the inside, so I'm just sliding this through. All right, so let's go ahead and install again. So placing this elastic band around the back of my head. All right. Now placing this back comb in the back of my head. Okay, my wig cap sliding back. Let's see here. All right, so now we are working with something. All right, so here is what it looks like now with that elastic band in the inside. So it's laying a little flatter to my forehead. I'm still gonna spray it down just a little bit. And we're going to just melt it just a little bit. I'm gonna go grab an actual elastic band with the Velcro. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove. I'm going to take a little bit of contour powder. This is Wet n Wild contour powder. And just with a brush, I'm just going to dab that right there on the lace. So here is the lace. And then also in the parting spaces, I'm going to take some Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330. And this is just a little angle brush. I'm going to brush that right there in the parting spaces. Right, so here it is. Let me go ahead and turn around so I can show you all the back. So side, here is the back, side again, and front. So I think this unit is so super cute. So the curls are super bouncy and soft and flowy. And I love this addition to like the braids at the top, kind of giving the illusion of like a boho bob, which I think is so super cute without the maintenance of a boho bob. But yes, very, very, very cute. LuvMe Hair has been coming out with a lot of braided styles, which I think is really, really nice. For those ladies who like have alopecia or just not able to sit for very long to get braids, I think that's really, really a smart move to start selling braided wigs. So yes, this one is very, very cute. Now, I just looked at the website. I didn't see this one, but if it is still available, I will put it down in the description box. But I did see the brown highlighted one, so that's the one that we are going to go ahead and put on next so we can see what it looks like. But just wanted to show you this one as well. Super duper cute, very cute, very affordable as well. And also I do have a promo code. I believe it's SNH28, gets you 28% off. If it's increased, then I'll put that down in the description box as well. But let's go ahead and get into the brown highlighted unit. All right guys, so I went ahead and installed this brown highlighted one off camera, but here it is. And so it's making me think that the natural black one was maybe a 10-inch. It's a little bit looser, and it's probably because of the color processing. But I'm kind of thinking this one may be the 12-inch and that one was a 10-inch. But here we go. Here is the hairline. Here is the lace. So again, same construction on this one, a 5x5 closure. And the rest of it is just a regular curly wig. So the braids are not all throughout this unit, they're only on the closure. So I just want to make you all aware of that. Don't want you all to order this thinking you're getting an entire wig that has individual braids. That is not the case with this. It is curly hair with braids in the closure. So let me go ahead and turn around so I can show you all angles of this one. And I wasn't really too sure about the color, but it actually looks pretty good. So here is the back. So again, it's cut in a bob shape to give the illusion of a boho braided look. So here is the other side and the front. But yes, this is a very super cute look, and again, perfect for those who cannot sit for a long period of time to get braids, those who just have alopecia, or just don't want to go get their hair braided. So this is just an alternate option, which I absolutely love. And again, LuvMe Hair has some additional some variety of other braided wigs, which I really love. But yes, this is this one. I think I also have one that is the full lace with all individual boho braids, so I'm going to be trying that one out soon as well. But here is this brown highlighted one. You already saw the natural black one. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. That is pretty much it. Again, the hair is super duper soft. The curls are bouncy and flowy. The unit is very much so lightweight. As you saw, it took no time at all to install. So very beginner friendly. Just cut off that little piece of additional lace. It already comes with the lace cut off, but just cut it just a little bit more. Spray on some hairspray, tie it down for like 5 minutes or so, and put a little bit of makeup in the parting spaces and around your hairline. Boom, you are good to go. Instant style. Love that. So make sure you check out the description box. I'm going to put a link to LuvMe Hair's website, a link to this unit. If the natural black one is still available, I'll put that down there as well. Of course, my promo code, if it has increased, it'll be down in the description box. But as of right now, what I know is SNH28, which will give you 28% off any unit you decide to purchase from LuvMe Hair. Again, I miss you all so much. I'm so glad to be back. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share with everyone you know, and I'll see you all in the next one.